Hi everyone, Ms. Boucher here, and I did want to review a few items regarding your high school MLA essays. So I know you're seniors and you've been writing in MLA format for several years now, but just a refresher as you enter your English 4 class. So we do use, as you know, MLA format, Modern Language Association. The MLA style establishes a standard of written communication, and it concerns your format and page layout. So you have the 1-inch margins, you double space throughout, you use 12-point font and usually Times Roman. Your stylistic technicalities, so whether or not you use abbreviations, footnotes, quotations, and you do not use contractions or abbreviations in MLA. How to cite sources in paper and for your works cited page, and preparing your manuscript for publication, submission for your course. This is a wonderful website, OWL Purdue, and I recommend you use this website for help on any of your essays. I'm going to send you the link as well in one of your welcome emails, so you will have that. And once again, a review of your essay essentials. Follow a standard structure. Create a strong thesis statement that's focused, specific. Create well-developed body paragraphs that fully support your thesis statement with evidence from the text and from expert external sources. Avoid the use of first and second personal pronouns. I think, I feel, etc. And use active voice in your sentence constructions. Present an open and educated view of the topic. Structure of your essay should be a minimum of 3 paragraphs because you need an introduction, you need evidence, and you need a conclusion. So you'll hear me or you'll see in your comments in your assignment area, I'll use claim data warrant quite often. Simply as the introduction to the essay itself and for each paragraph. So your claim, which draws the reader in and contains a focused thesis statement or topic sentence for your paragraphs. Data, or the middle, the body of your essay or your paragraph, which has the evidence to support your thesis or claims, and that they're well developed. You don't just use a quote and nothing else to support it or explain it, you explain it. And then your warrant or your conclusion ties everything together. Hopefully this brief video will help you with your essay review. If you have any questions, as always, I am here to help you Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.